Bloody brambles. You're going too fast for me.
Come on, Sorcerer, catch us!
Hey, slow down. You'll exhaust our villain.
This is your tower. It's evil.
Doesn't he ever get tired? I really should get back to studying.
Come on, we had a long journey today. Please, Mother said to try to exhaust him. Be brave, Sorcerer. Your fight is far from over.
Your mother's going to wonder where we are.
It's been a long road. You have the right to stretch your legs.
Yes.
Amicia!
Look at that.
A castle.
Let's go see! Yeah!
All right, then. Time to run. Hugo, you're going to sweat like a hog.
I am sweating like a hog.
It's good for you. I like your new home.
It's a castle!
All right.
Lucas the Perfidious is invading my castle!
Yes! And I'm going to turn you into a beetle!
Amicia! He's too powerful! We have to hide!
Yes.
I'll count to 10. Then I'll come for you, King Hugo and...
Amicia the Amazon.
Of course. So go! Now!
Come, Amicia the Amazon.
1,
We have to find a
2,
good hiding place.
3,
I'll stand by your side, my
4,
king.
5,
Quick,
6,
quick.
7,
Don't forget
8,
to breathe, my king.
9...